In this example, we have 2a to the power of minus a half divided by 4a to the power of a half. And if I rewrite this as a fraction, it will be 2a to the power of minus a half over 4a to the power of a half. Now I can divide the coefficients of one another. So 2 over 4 would simply become 1 over 2, or a half. So that is equals to 1 half. And if I apply the law of division when it comes to exponents, I would subtract the bottom exponent from the top exponent. So I would say minus a half minus the half from the bottom. And 2 halves subtracted from one another becomes 1 times a to the power of minus 1 over 2. And remember, in algebra, we want to leave our answer as positive exponents. So I'll move the a to the power of negative 1 to the denominator. So this will be 1 over 2a to the power of 1. But we don't have to write the 1. So it is simply 1 over 2a.